Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your TikTok account. So if you want to go from a business to a personal or from a business to a creator account, I'll show you the process of how you do that. It is very straightforward and simple. So let's just get straight into it. I'm going to go ahead and open up TikTok. You'll be on your home page when you land on TikTok. Now, what you want to do is you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. That'll take you to your profile. Then what you want to do from here is you see these three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Tap those three stripes and then you want to tap on the second option, that is settings and privacy. From here you'll be on your settings page and you'll notice all these different options, but that's not what we want. We want this first option here that says manage account. So I'll tap on manage account and you have some underneath there where it says account control. You have a couple of options. You can, since this is I believe it is a creator account, it says switch to personal account or switch to business account since it's a creator account. So you'll just need to determine which one that you want to switch to. So if I, for an example, want to switch to a personal account, it gives you a warning. If you switch to a personal account, you won't be able to access analytics, marketplace, and so on. So keep in mind that if you switch from a personal to a business account, you won't have all the sounds that a personal account has. So that's one thing to take into consideration. And if you want to confirm that, just tap on switch back and it will switch back to whatever account you chose. If you don't want to, you can click on cancel and then cancel that out. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.